Hello, this is Sunday today. So, this is the time of learning Japanese. Okay, so we are learning here how to write the Hiragana script. Okay, we have completed the
vowels,
and K series. Now, today we will see the third series, that is S series, or you can say S sound or S sound. Okay.
Now, third vertical line is S sound or S sound, you can say. First sound is sa, sa. Second is she. Now, you have to note one thing, that here it is she, not she. Okay. So, now third S sound is su, su. Then se, se. Then so, so. Now,
okay, so let us come to, so very first is sa. In Devanagari, sa. And in Hiragana, leave it, brush up and like this. Okay, if stroke order you want to understand, then and like this. Okay, somewhere you may find like this. As we have seen, ki, it was, or like this, only this sa. Okay, so stroke order if you want to understand it, this is first stroke, this is second, and this is third. This is second and this is third stroke. Okay, now next is she. We expect here C, but no C sound is in Japanese language. So here it is she. Okay. So if you want to write in Devanagari, then she. Okay. Understood? Not C. Okay. And in Hiragana it is very simple. Simple one stroke only. Okay, stroke order, one stroke only, single stroke. Okay, now next is su, su. It is also very simple, like this, simple one, in stroke order, simple. One and second stroke like this. Okay, very easy. Next, say, say. One, then leave it and like this. Okay, so stroke order if you want to understand, then one horizontal, then this, brush up, leave it and like this. Very easy. First stroke, this is second and this is third one. Easy? Now last. So. So. Simple. Okay, very simple. Okay, if you want to, in one stroke only we have to go. Okay, start here and release here. Okay, in this way, this is the S series of Hiragana or Japanese alphabet. This is the script. Hiragana is script, how to write it. Okay, so repeat it once. Sa, she, su, from next video, we will start to learn some words also. Okay? And numbering also we will start to learn in Japanese language. Okay? Till then, you practice this S series and all what we have learned in previous videos. Okay? Bye. Sayonara.
Like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming amazing videos. Thank you. Keep watching.